So this is a tutorial on XML RCP. Uh, we previously was got introduced to XML in our previous videos. Uh, that was the introduction to web services. In this video, let's see what is XML RCP. XML RCP is the simplest XML based protocol for exchanging information between computers across a network. RCP stands for Remote Procedure Call. As its name indicates, it's a mechanism to call a procedure or a function available on a remote computer. This brief tutorial is useful for those who want to learn how to use XML RCP to establish a connection between computers across a network. So here you can see here you can see some data type in XML. There are basic data type: integer, double, a boolean string, and date time. So these are the codes how you can use this type of data. And so what is an RCP request format? And XML RCP request formats are combination of XML content and HTTP headers. The XML content is used the data typing structure to pass parameters and contains additional informations identifying which procedure is being called, while HTTP headers provides a wrapper for passing the request over web. So, and this is the format. In this slide you can see the format in which the RCP is response back. Response are much like the request with few extra twists. If a response is successful, the procedure was found, executed correctly, and return the result. Then XML RCP response will look much like a request, except that the method call element will be replaced by a method response element. So basically, the respond and the respond and the request messages are similar if this successful, but there are few slight modifications and slight tweaks when there are response back. An XML RCP can only contain one parameter, so the response can have only one parameter from the server or whatever device is replying back. The parameter may be an array or a string, so it is possible to return a multiple values. So let's see how it works. Let's open a Word document and let's name it XML RCP, and then change it to HTML. Okay, then we open it using Atom. So what do you do? So first we start with uh let's values. First we start with values. So values, then we do structure. structure then we do this. Okay, then we close up. So what do we do next? We add members to it. Members, then we add members. and you close up. So what members, what's members? So first, let's start with my name. So let's start with name. So the name of the what do you call it, the title, the name of the title, let's say it, uh, first name, first name, and we close it, we close it. Then we add values. This is a title. The first is the title. Now we add values to the name. So the add value to the title. And the value type is string. So let's put string, and let's close it up, the string. Let's close up the string, and suppose my first name is, this is the value, this is my first name is Tanzir. Okay, so this is my one member. So if I save this, save it, if I save it and open this XML file, we'll see my first name Tanzir, and we can add on members if we want. First member is my name. This is the title, and this is the value in string form. So, and we can add on members. So suppose if you want to add another member, so if you want to add another member, let's add another member, and this is like my last name. This is my family name. This is my family member. What's my family name? My family name is Rahman. We can add more members. We can add more members. Let's add another member to it. So what that member is going to be, let's add my age. So what's my age? So let's add age. So age is a integer type. So I'm adding integer, and so integer. And what's my age? It's 24, and we save it. And if we refresh it, see, we can see first name Tansir Rahman, family name Rahman, age 24. So this is how RCP works, and this is one of the most simplest way to show how it works. And there are plenty more, and but for this introduction tutorial, I'm going to finish it till now. And thank you.